Welcome to South Cafe! Tonight at ASV Avenue, Food Avenue here in Dunhill in Argao, and we were invited by our friend Ma'am Vanessa to taste the products of their newest cafe here in Argao, which is the South Cafe. So once again, we're here with Ma'am Vanessa. So thank you kayo for inviting me over. They actually prepared very special treats for us. We'll go ahead and start with I think you're the very first cafe that will be offering this product here in Argao, which makes this vlog more special. So I think kaya rin na para ma-show natin nila. Okay, so this is the
egg drop sandwich.
Okay.
So this particular sandwich is we called it overload egg drop sandwich. It consists of garlic bread, egg, bacon, spam, cheese, and ham. Yes, that's why we call it overload kay naagi siya tanan.
Daghan siya protein.
Sa amo ang kanang lain-lain nga kain sa egg drop among gibutang tanan. We come up with this product.
Okay,
And
so
actually wala pa ni namo siya gipagawas, and we are planning to
first time makatry.
we are planning nga ipagawas ni by next week together with our other new products.
Next week. So today is
October
8? 8 Sabado. 8. So expect by what day ka na ma-available?
We dili lang ko makaingon nga what day yun,
But within the week. But you'll be posting it as well.
Yes.
So please make sure to wait for updates sa ilang page at South Cebu, southcafe.cebu. Okay, kay i-search ninyo ang South Cafe, daghan mo gawas. So make sure it's at South Sumpay ha, South Cafe.cebu. I'll be putting it here sa ubos. So again, that overload, grabe daghan siya og protein, egg drop, and we won't be discussing the prices within this video. Just make sure you look for updates sa ilang page. Kaya you know, prices vary depending on the price of the ingredients mo lagi sa products na ilang ginabaligya. So that's the egg drop. Again, that's a Korean food, and I was very excited to know that they're offering it here. Kay wa pa jud ko katilaw ana sukad-sukad. I only see it in my Facebook news feed. So thank you so much. Next, when they order the egg drop night fries,
I know.
no, so that's a separate order. So they also have French fries. Cute kay lang sila nan. Do you have only one size?
Yeah, for this.
Only one flavor?
Currently, kay wala pa man sa dinamo siya gipagawas. Kani mostly kita lang dire kay new product ni siya na mo.
Nice. Thank
We are
you.
very excited to share it to this vlog sad kay wala pa sad nakatry ang mga other
So,
customers.
unsa ni siya na dip, ma'am?
Cheese sauce nila. Cheese na deep sauce.
Okay.
We are planning sad to make katong mga powdered like sour cream, cheese, and barbecue, but wala pa lang na mo siya.
Flavored fries will be offered soon. So, for now, they have French fries with cheese dip.
Cute kaya mo sila.
Oh, di ba? Instagrammable kayo ni ilang cafe actually. So, I'll be sharing photos as well aside from this vlog. I'll be posting it same sa akong page, and also I'll be uploading this sa akong YouTube sad. So they also have cheesecake, which is two flavors.
Two flavors, yeah.
Was it mango?
Mango cheesecake and blueberry cheesecake.
Mango and blueberry cheesecake.
Kani nga mo ang ipakita.
Yeah, right now it's the mango,
cheesecake.
but I will put photos here in this video sa ilang cheesecake na blueberry and mango. Again, prices will be revealed only sa ilang page. Thank you. Next,
Kani same same sad sa other na mo nga gipakita is new product sad ni na Clubhouse sandwich.
okay, so they have a Clubhouse sandwich. I think it's one whole sandwich na slice into
Yeah.
four.
Actually 5 pieces of
5
bread.
pieces. Okay.
Tapos naala yung mga filling each what's it tawag?
Each cut
naalang may gibutang lain-lain per line.
per layer niya.
Yeah,
So,
layer.
unsa ang what is consisted in one sandwich?
Sa among Clubhouse sandwich, we have egg, ham, bacon, cheese, lettuce, and among sauce.
Okay. So,
And tomato. Actually, tomato sad.
daghan sila food choices dere, so you won't be expecting that they only sell drinks. They do have cold and hot drinks here. So, those were the food products that they sell. Food products pa to ha. So, we're here. So, in front of us are two cold beverages that they showed me. They prepared it in front of me a while ago. And this is the
Caramel macchiato.
caramel
And
macchiato.
Java chip.
Java chip. So of course, if ever you order it, freshly made for you guys. And do
Freshly
you have
ground coffee beans.
freshly ground coffee beans for you? What are the sizes available for your drink?
For our cold drinks, we have 12 ounce, 16 ounce, and 22 ounce. Kaning ipakita is 22 ounce.
22 ni
It's
mga
our
dagko.
biggest size.
22 ounce.
And for hot naman, we have 8 ounce, 12 ounce, and 16 ounce.
So aside from this, mga frap ba ni sila dili?
Kaning Java chip, it's called blended beverages or yung frap, and kani is latte, iced latte.
Ice latte sa
Iced coffee ni siya, but ang flavor niya is caramel macchiato. We have a lot pa sad na flavors like hazelnut, caramel, vanilla, mocha, white mocha, and so on.
Okay, so again, check out their page. Daghan kayo sila options to choose from, cold and hot. And aside from that, are there any products na wala na to be featured today but will be available sa inyong cafe?
Yes, actually, naapod may waffle and available na siya since day 1 and wala na lang na mo siya gipakita kay mas gi-prefer na mo nga ma-vlog tong wala pa gani nakita sa uban food. So,
and they also have brownies, cookies.
Yeah, cookies.
Na pude. Ako lang insert ang photos diri ha. Okay, can you discuss the price for the cookies? Di naman guro mo siya.
Yeah, dili. So for the cookies, we priced it at 45 pesos and
45.
brownies is 30 pesos.
So, naka-witness gid ganina unom gid kabooking gipalit. Lami jud guro.
Yeah.
Lami jud guro ang ilang cookies diri wala pa katilaw actually. So, we will try it. So, nakoy bag-ong giapas na drink here. Cute pud kayo siya pouch. O, diba?
It's a classic lemonade.
Classic lemonade.
For now, kanang ma-open niya mo ang flavor since we are just starting this product pasad I think last 2 weeks ago. And kanang amo sang kuan if i-experiment pasad na mo ang other, but we are seeing watermelon, cucumber, and siguro orange nga flavor sa lemonade. These are kuan gid siya fresh. Di ko kayo og fresh kay kanang since fruit man siya, but as amo-among gong motto diri sa cafe is as much as possible we want it legit gani. Like dili mo gamit og mga powders and others bisag unsa pa nga kuan.
So it's organic.
Yeah. From coffee freshly kuan gid siya. Makita gid ninyo inig ka make sa coffee nga diha pa siya i-grind, diha siya i-extract ang iyang espresso and diha pasad like if ever na like ganina si ma'am nag-order siya I mean among gipakita diri is ang latte, iced latte, caramel macchiato. Kinahanglan man gud siya nga freshly grind siya.
Yes. I saw the whole process.
Mao man gud na yung makapakuan sa coffee.
Humot siya as in humot.
Matter gid ang taste if fresh or dili.
So, I'm just interested to also know since they recently opened August 28. So, 8/28, lucky numbers.
Oh, today is also 8.
Oh, diba? So, what pushed you to open this this store and why here in Don Hill?
Okay. So, at first yun, balidugay na gid ko nagplan nga to open my own cafe since kanang dream sad na ko gid ang coffee shop, but kung ako lang ani dili pa di siya mahitabo. So ang akong plano gid unta before ko mag coffee is like mag refreshments lang and kanang other snacks like for this lemonade, the egg drop waffle. So kay dako man gud kay investment ng coffee, so true. But ang nakapag-go yun ako nga push ating nga business is katong ni travel mi sa akong business partner sa Baguio. Kay we bought there kanang coffee beans nga gi-grind sad nila for us. And pag try na mo sa ilahang house is lamig gid kay siya. So nakakuan gid ko nga kanang
Experience ninyo mo nakapag-push.
Oo. And without sad, ganahan lang po ko mo thanks sa akong business partner, Mary and Camarador, and sa mga investors. Dili ni mahitabo sad if dili tangod nila. Okay.
Special shout out to Mary Ann. I think mo siya.
Siya akong business partner nga painter, also a painter. And if mo visit mo sa cafe, daghang kayo of paints.
So ato ba, daghang paintings, daghang ka ng drawing. So cozy and nindot ang ambience diri kay if you want you can also choose a spot where you can have a great
alone
view.
Time.
Mag-me time mo sa kanang kabasakan. So nindot kayo siya i-chill guys. So moto guys, don't forget to visit South Cafe here inside the ASV Food Avenue in Don Hill Street, Argao. And don't forget to visit their page to check their updated prices and whatever food products they have in store for you. Please invite our viewers to drop by and visit your cafe here in Don Hill.
First, I would just like to thank Miss Margrette for this opportunity nga ma-interview and ma-feature ang atong products sa ihang vlogs, which is don't forget sad to like her page. I think Margrette. So ang theme there naman sa among cafe is modern al fresco. So we have payong-payong here and series lights sa babaw, and we have a lot of paintings that available to look at, or pwede mo palit. We're open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. and we also offered delivery from the cafe to Bulasa, and sa south side is to Balisong. So we offer free delivery with minimum purchase. You can check out our page for more information, or you can leave us a message. Our staff is always ready to serve you.
So once again, don't forget South Cafe here in ASV Food Avenue, Donhill Street in Argao, Cebu. Bye guys!
Ay, thank you!
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.